Come on. Okay, the last one seems to be a bit challenging. So, last second one is also challenging. Okay, so last second one, leave it to you. Number 8. Okay, 27 times 3 log x equal to 9.
log can write there
醒啦！
係咩？我唔知咧。
有咩知唔知先？我全世界中意寫乜嘢就寫乜嘅嘢咯嘛。x minus 20. Okay. Wow, this is interesting. So 5x. The first thing you can see, right, is that they are not in prime number. Okay. So 27, the answer is 3 to the power 3. 9 is 3 to the power 2. According to index law, this is the one. Okay. Hey, no need to copy, right? I think you have the video, okay? Or you can just don't copy because you can try yourself. Answer is behind the book. Okay. The best is that you can forget it. Understand this and forget it. Okay. So the key things, right? Now you experience here about the logarithm is that there's actually just one trick. Is that anything you see which is not in the base index, try to make them in the base index so that they will all have the same base. Once you have this, they have the same base, so index law tell you that it is 3 plus log x. Okay? And this is, since it's a time, so it's 2 plus 2 log x minus 20. Okay? Now they have the same base 3, you can say that they're the same base.
2 plus 2 log.
Yeah, 2 times 1, 2 times this, right?
You want 2 times x minus 20?
Wait, this is one functions, right? So this one times 2, are you sure the 2 can time inside? I don't think so, so you just put it outside. Right, don't anyhow do things. Okay, so 2 log x minus 20. This way. Hey, don't copy, okay? And I need your eyes.
I do it.
I don't need you to do, you just follow me, hey?
Okay.
So what's next? You just tell me what's next, hey? You want to do?
I don't know now.
Or what do you want? Okay, you have a major one.
2 move over.
Yeah, you want. Why 2 move over? Because you want
3 minus 2.
unknown one side, not unknown one side, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so well, why not? So 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring this over, and I don't know what to do, so I keep it in this form first.
Minus log x.
Okay. So what's next?
1 equals.
Try to embed everything into one log functions, right? Okay. So the first thing is to put the 2 to the index. Second one, this is minus, so become divisions, right? So you have x minus 20 square divided by x 1. Make sense? Too much.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good. So what do I have? Okay. This means log base 10 equal to something, so 10 to the power of 1 equal to a bunch of things. Okay? So 10x equal to x squared minus 40x plus 400.
Yeah.
Okay? So bring everything over one side, x squared minus 50x plus 400 equal to 0. Okay? Okay, 2020 cannot. No.
20 and 40 is.
No, it's 10 and 40.
800.
Yeah, so 10, 40 is just nice. So x minus 10, x minus 40. So x equal to 10 or x equal to 40. But check, okay, whatever it is log, check the initial one. Is it all allowed? This is rejected. If you don't check, you get it wrong. So answer is only x equal to 40. Why is it rejected?
Because it's negative when
Why?
you calculate to
Which one?
10 minus 20.
Yeah, good. Okay. So this one tells you this is rejected. Okay, so don't get tricked. Okay? Sometimes you get a nice number also must check. Okay? Easy? Hard. No, it's very hard.
So simple.
You teach?
No, once you get used to this, get sick of it, it's very simple. Everything in O-level, nothing is cheap. Okay, trust me. So long as from the alien things become something that you know, so something you know becomes something you master, then everything becomes so simple. Okay. Then finally you realize that what can my teacher come out? 4 style of questions law? Why? Because they can't think of the 5th style. Lack of creativity. Okay? That's how I did my O-level. Okay? I talked to teachers straight away. I think you can only come up with these 5 type of questions. Am I right? She told me yes. What else can she think of? I said, what else can you think of? What else can we think of? Don't waste time. Just test the 5. Okay?
你係新加坡的嘅 O level。
Singapore, yeah.
邊間學校啊？
Whampoa Secondary School. Now they merged to Bendemeer Secondary School. One of the worst in Singapore. I love it. Yeah, I love it because I'm as if a king inside of it. Okay. Teacher come to ask me, David, do you think this is correct? Do you think it is correct to interpret it this way?
咁你點樣學到咁叻啊？
By grace.
嚇？
By grace of God. Well, very hard to say. It's really by grace. That's what I say okay, at the first lesson. 4 things, right? Wisdom is imparted. And I got and why people, even my dad and mom, they are not Christians, okay? The whole family only I'm Christian. So how come they all believe? They don't believe in Christians, but they also got a shock for it because they all know my result in Hong Kong. They know my English in Hong Kong also, which is all red, all nothing more than 20% out of everything. I'm not that smart also. Okay, so by grace of God, come over here, listen to English. Well, don't understand what they're saying some more, right? But suddenly I can think of all these things and do all these things. So it's the same way I teach you. It's how God teach me. Okay, so focus. Okay, they need your eye. Don't need you to work. What is this? I don't know. Okay. Picasso. Okay, so this is the thing for you. Okay, and don't worry. Okay, so long as you're here, I'm next to you. Knowledge and wisdom will keep being imparted to you, not by your word. It's by grace. So what are we doing today? Maths. Keep going.
Yeah.
Is it chemistry? How about?
No.
No chemistry. Is it?
No tai chi eh?
Dang. Okay. So let's do another thing. Yeah, recently I wrote about. Have I told you this? I wrote a message about about the lousy Christians things. Have I told you?
No.
Okay, just make it simple. Okay, to tell you something so that you don't feel offended or you don't feel weird also. Okay, when China, right? Okay, when the Westerner comes into China, okay, bring in gospel and says, what do they say? They say, your God, the God that you're worshipping, your gods are not God. Wow! Then this kind of things, right, created a big impact in China. Okay? They all like today, even today, okay, any Christian comes and say, your God are not gods. And a lot of people get offended. Then, right, you can just tell those Christians same things. They say that you don't understand your own God actually. Actually, there's no offense for the first sentence, but the interpreter, right, anyhow interpret. Okay, because the gods, right, in Bible, right, is actually Elohim. Okay, this word, not from the Hebrew. Okay, the first instead of God. Okay, and what's the meaning of Elohim? Elohim means creator, creator of the system, creator of the world, creator. Okay, we talk about your gods are not Elohims. Okay, when they make the correct things, right, things are correct, no offense at all. Why? Because in China, right, the gods definitions, right, is higher being. And none of them, come on, even Buddha don't claim that they are the creator of the system, right? So I'm not talking about who high, who low, but they say that, hey, what you're worshipping is not the creator. No issue. I never say that my thing is creator. We are worshipping higher being only. But that's actually no offense. Like, what is the issue is that people just anyhow use the word when misunderstanding. Then the conflict comes in. So now the question comes in and talk about, your God is not a God. Just tell them, do you understand your God means Elohim, this creator? Your mind is not creator, okay? No issue at all. Okay? So from there onward, right, Jesus is just say as the Elohim manifest in human form. Okay, so for human rationale to understand, so they make it the son of Elohim. Okay, so nothing to do with that. Okay, so I think no issue. So that's the message I wrote. Okay, to have all the questions. You guys, you know what you're talking about. Next time, can you use Elohim instead, so nobody will get offended. Okay, let's keep going. Chapter 3, quadratic equation and inequality. Okay, now this quadratic equation is something, it's more about analysis of quadratic equations. Okay, it's not the basic quadratic equations. Okay, as we know, right, okay, we can solve a quadratic equations. First, check the discriminant is less than 0. There's no real root.
Okay.
Okay, just a recap.
Oh.
But now, right, we don't care about this already, okay? Because we've got to go to the difference between equal to 0 versus greater than 0, okay? Greater than 0, we know that they give you 2 distinct roots. Okay, 2 roots. This one is actually, we say 1 root, right? But no, actually it is 2 repeated roots. Actually, there are 2 roots, the same value, okay? So just remember, when they say discriminant is 0 to 0, discriminant greater than 0, the 2 roots are the same, the 2 roots are like that, okay? So, that's about the nature of roots. But today I'm going to teach you something about analysis quadratic equations. Now, solving quadratic equations, yeah, come to last thing is the ultimate formula. Otherwise, use a calculator, okay? Go to solve it, okay? So today we're going to do the roots analysis. Now, if you have a quadratic equation of roots analysis, you will have, normally the form is ax squared plus bx plus c in general form, okay? And then if this one have 2 roots, right, normally you can just say, okay, x minus alpha, x minus beta. Then alpha and beta are roots. Okay? Okay? That means that if this equation can be solved to these things, alpha and beta are roots, right? Okay? So what do we have is that if you do the reverse multiplications, you see that this is like that, minus alpha x minus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Okay? Therefore, you see x squared plus, okay, this is complicated. X squared minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Okay? So comparing this, right, this can be rewritten in the form of x squared minus b over a x plus c over a equal to 0. Therefore, you have a conclusions that sum of the root, this is a plus, okay? So therefore you say alpha plus beta is minus b over a. Product root, okay, is actually equal to c over a. Okay? So what do you need to learn today? This is the formula for today. You need to know for any quadratic equations, the sum of the roots that you got to find is just minus b over a, and product of root is just c over a. Okay, that means you don't have to. Now remember, this is play around with the coefficients. You don't solve x. You're not solving x. Okay, you're playing around with the sum of root and product of root. If you just sum of root, you just use b over minus b over a. Product of root just c over a. Okay. Okay. Don't worry about it is. Don't worry about it is no real root. Okay. In no real root, right? That means you have two imaginary roots, which is complex number. Okay, which is not your syllabus. Okay. But the point is that when you have two complex number, when you add them up, right, it will be real number. When you time them, it will be real number also. So even though in this case, right, this one still holds. So in all cases, this holds. Okay. So first things, I'll play around with this. If I have 3x squared minus 4x plus 7 equal to 0. 7, 3 here.
Yeah.
Play it tomorrow, you also may not be able to find the root, other than using a formula equation, okay, or calculator. So what is sum of roots?
This one look like the question that time.
Hey, come on, wake up here, focus, okay? So what is this?
Alpha plus beta.
Yep.
Equals
Now alpha beta means the two roots of the equations, the two answers for x. But I'm not interested in finding the answer. I'm interested in finding the sum of the answer.
Oh.
Yeah.
Make
it simple.
The formula is minus b over a, not.
Yeah.
That means alpha and beta is not b and it's not a.
Alpha and beta are the roots of the equation. Nothing to do with the a. A, b, c are the coefficient of the equation. This is why copy. Everything is a textbook. And you can't listen to what I say, you see. And then when I say thing, it means a word, right? Then you cannot do a word.
What?
Yeah. Make everything to a prime number while you're copying, you're not listening.
Okay then.
What's the product root? Product root. You see, you're copying, so you're not listening.
7 over 4.
7 over
4.
3.
Why?
A what?
Oh.
Okay, welcome back. Okay.
Oh, is for sure it's A, B, C, and
I think so. Yeah.
A is always the square.
Okay. Do you need to repeat the whole thing again?
Oh, don't need.
What's alpha beta?
I don't know.
Alpha beta are root of equations. Okay.
Oh, the rest are coefficients.
What are the root of equation?
X and X.
What are the root of equations?
Alpha and beta.
Yep. So what are the values?
Minus 6 over 1, which is minus 6.
Oh, wait, wake up.
Huh?
Okay, wake up. Okay.
Our values is 168.
Oh, okay. Okay, fine. Okay, solve the equation for me. Yeah, solve the equation.
How to solve?
Use hand to solve. Do you know how to solve these equations?
Yes, I know.
How? Yeah, solve it.
X equals to plus 2 or plus 4.
Yeah. So we did this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so listen, okay. 2 and 4 are the root of this equation. Okay? Sum of root equal to what? 2 plus 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay? Equal to 6. Okay? Minus b over a equal to what?
Minus b over
Minus b is minus of minus 6 over 1, so equal to 6.
Okay.
Product root is equal to what? 2 times 4 equal to 8. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so how to get 8? Which is C over A. C over A is 8 over 1.
8 over 1.
So it's 8, right? Okay. Okay, so I say again. So I say again, if you have an equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, if these equations, right, have two roots, x equal to alpha, x equal to beta, then you have sum of root is equal to minus b over a, product of root equal to c over a. Why do you use this? Because most of the equations given in this chapter will not be able to bracket it. You will not be able to solve it.
Okay.
And a lot of them, they are in complex numbers or more. So you can use calculator, you cannot solve it. Okay? But by simply inspecting on the coefficient, you can know the sum and product at least. But try not to use these two equations to solve your quadratic equation, because if you do a simultaneous equation for these two equations, you try to solve for alpha and beta, you get better quadratic equation actually. You come back to the beginning. Okay? So don't waste your time. Okay, so this is what you need to learn today. Okay? It's very simple. Okay? Now, example 4, given that the equation x squared plus 2 minus kx plus k equal to 0 has non-zero root. Wow. Has non-zero root. Okay, have non-zero root which differ by 2. Find the value of each root and of k. Find alpha, beta, and k. Cool. Okay. This is, I think you do this. Oh no. Find alpha, beta, and k. Okay. Okay. Alpha and beta. So if alpha and beta differ by 2, okay, you have kind of things like that. I think nothing to do with this. Some reporter root things. Yes, really, nothing to do with some reporter root. This is just a quadratic equation only. Okay, not this chapter. Doesn't matter. Let's handle it. Okay. Okay, so remember this is not quadratic. Okay, so see if alpha is a root, alpha square plus 2 minus k alpha plus k need to equal to 0. If beta, so alpha equal to 2 plus beta, right? Okay, so beta equal to 2 minus alpha. Okay, so 2 minus alpha square plus 2 minus k, 2 minus alpha plus k equal to 0. Because right, beta square plus 2 minus k beta plus k need to equal to 0. This is beta, this is beta. Can you see beta square plus 2 minus k beta plus k need to equal to 0. Okay, and the beta is being substituted by 2 minus alpha. Okay. So then, if you open it up, 4 minus 4 minus 4 alpha plus alpha square plus 2 minus k minus 2 minus k alpha plus k equal to 0. Wow, it's getting very, very complicated. You want to read yourself?
No.
He doesn't understand. I
I
think.
don't understand.
Yeah, don't understand where? Let me know.
I don't even know what's alpha and beta for.
Okay, fine. Okay, skip this question first. Later come back. Okay, do something easier for you first. Okay, do something very simple. Okay. Okay, example 1. Okay, the equation 2x squared plus 6x minus 3 equal to 0 has root alpha and beta. You know what's the meaning of roots?
Yeah.
The answers, right? You have two answers,
yeah,
right?
answer.
So you don't know what's the value, so they call it alpha and beta first. Okay? So
So
they have roots alpha and beta.
okay.
Got it? Okay, if you have equation, the roots is this, okay, it's alpha and beta. Find the values of, they say find a value of 1 over alpha, 1 over beta equal to what? Okay? When they ask you in this form, right, that means they don't expect you to solve the equation. They substitute alpha, beta. No. They ask you, they want you to use sum of root and product root to solve it. Okay? So how do we do it? Okay? Example, right? That means I do. Okay, so you don't have to think. Follow me to do. Take common denominator. You have this.
Why?
Okay, fine.
Oh, okay.
Can? Wow, so slow, huh? Okay? So sum of root is minus b over a. Product of root is c over a.
Oh.
Okay? So therefore,
Oh. Okay.
okay?
Oh, okay.
Part B. Part B, find the answer of 2. I rubbed the whole thing. Okay, 2x squared plus 6x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, find. They say find 2 alpha plus 1, 2 beta plus 1. Find this value. Okay, so simply this is, we'll expand out 4 alpha beta, okay, plus 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 1. Okay. Then 4 product root, 2 open bracket sum of root plus 1. The here, the rest copy. Okay.
Okay.
So c over a and b over a minus b over a. So what they have 2 minus 6 plus 2 2.
But this
so
the
minus
beta
6.
and the thing equation is he give you one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. You can.
Okay.
Okay. Since you look so puzzled, okay, another one. The equation x minus 2 equal to 4 has root alpha and beta. Okay. Find alpha square plus beta square. Okay, this is part A. Part B, it is alpha minus beta. Part C, alpha 4 plus beta 4. Part C is 2. Okay, do together. 来，跟我说。 Tell me what's next I should do. Okay.
The equation expand first.
Expand first. Okay. So x squared minus 2x equals 4.
Minus 4
Okay.
equals
Minus 4 equals 0. Good. Okay.
And then do this one.
Hey, come to. Need some IQ. Okay. This one.
Expand first.
Yeah. How to expand?
Alpha alpha beta beta. Alpha alpha plus beta beta. Then alpha times beta plus no. Alpha times beta times alpha plus beta.
Alpha times beta plus alpha times beta.
No. Alpha times beta times alpha again plus beta. Right?
Bracket this way or bracket this way?
The other way.
This way, yeah? Alpha, beta, dot alpha plus beta, is it? So if you multiply them back, you got alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. Is that what you want?
No.
So it's wrong, right?
Yeah.
This don't become this.
Huh?
But then you explain wrongly what? Should not rub it. It's a wrong expression there.
Then do the same thing again.
What do you want to do? You do the
I
same
don't
thing
know
again, you get
already.
wrong again.
I don't know already.
Fine.
Alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta.
Daddy, I need water.
No cup eh.
This one do you understand? This is the
I know this one.
trick you need to know.
Oh.
So that it become product root and sum root.
So a square plus b square equals to a plus b square.
What's
No, this one
it?
is equals to that one, right?
Yeah. Yeah,
A square plus b square equals to no. Alpha square plus beta square equals to alpha plus beta bracket square.
And then?
Correct, right?
No.
No, meh?
Look at here, right? This alpha square beta square, right?
Uh-huh.
Equal to this only, man. How about this? Gone.
Minus, what's that? Alpha beta. Minus 2 alpha beta.
Yeah, you following? Can, right?
No.
Keep this 2 guy. Throw away this term. Over. So we have keep this.
Oh, okay.
Minus away this.
But how you get alpha plus beta bracket square?
Do you understand this identity?
Yes, I understand.
Do you have this here? You can't disappear, right? So this one copy here. You bring over this term, minus. Over again. I'll do something that you're familiar with. A plus b whole thing square equal to a square.
Plus 2ab plus b square, I don't know.
Then equations, right? I just bring over this term. I bring it is a plus, right?
Yeah.
Bring it as a
then
minus. Any problem with this?
No.
So why you have problem with this? It's the same thing, what?
No, I don't know how you get alpha plus beta square bracket square.
Alpha plus beta bracket square is this is the identity, right?
Yeah.
But
then that one, right?
what is that one?
A square alpha
Okay,
square.
wait. Do you understand this is
Yeah,
equal to
yeah,
this?
okay. Yeah.
Do you see this is the same as this?
Yeah.
So can you just copy that? So can I say this is equal to this?
Okay.
Okay, good. How do you get is the second question. Because you don't get.
You erase the.
Yup. 4, right?
C.
Any problem with this?
No.
Substitute this with this, substitute with that.
Yeah.
You don't have to explain it. You don't have to think how you get it. Write it first. Okay? Write out first, you should be able to get it. 2 minus 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, so it's 4 minus a plus 2, 4 is 8. So it's 12. Okay?
But plus man? Oh yeah, minus man.
I think so, yeah. Okay?
Okay.
So done. Okay, this. Likewise this. IQ test again. Okay, all these IQ tests revolve those inequality that, sorry, not those equations that you learn. Basic equation, a plus b whole thing squared and all those things. I give you a hint already. Okay, so how do I do?
A plus B whole thing square.
A plus b whole thing squared, do you think you can get alpha a minus b or not? You think that identity have a minus b?
A plus B, A minus B.
Yeah, that's the only identity, right?
Yeah.
So why don't you try it out first? So what do you have?
A plus B, A minus B.
Right? Okay?
So, alpha square minus beta square minus wrong times
Then
move over
times, right? Divide, right? Times go minus.
you write minus behind what? Oh, okay.
Okay? Times you bring over as a divide. You don't bring over as a minus. Okay?
You use the answer just now you got from A.
No.
Substitute. No.
It's quite problematic because the first part is alpha square plus beta square.
Oh.
Why have now we have this. This is horrible. Okay, so you solve this issue, now you create this issue. Can? Okay,
Square minus
one more. Now solve this.
A.
Don't go back to this, okay? Otherwise you make this issue back to this issue. This another, that's 3, right? The first one tells you the first identity.
A minus B square.
Yep. This one tells you both identity, okay? Alpha beta plus beta square. Oh no, you can't. It's still a plus. This is very problematic. I'm defeated. Okay, never mind. I tell you, this is 好贱. Okay. Like that?
Uh-huh.
So they do this. Can. Then just put there. Okay, so this one equal to square root. Actually this is plus minus square root, okay? Because you have a square, you got plus minus. And then you group the alpha and beta together. And then minus 2 alpha beta. Okay? So plus minus square root. First one, use the first part answer, which is 12. Then this one is alpha beta, so it's so what's that?
Alpha beta is C over A.
So
it's 4 over 1.
no.
Minus 4 over 1.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. So minus 4. Okay. So minus 4.
Minus 8.
Well, positive 8.
Minus positive 8.
Positive 8.
20.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
20 can root meh?
Press calculator can root. Okay. So otherwise leave it in cert form. You can just leave it in cert form.
4.472.
Okay. You should leave it in this way.
Okay.
Okay. C max. Oh, sorry. Oh, this way. Cert form is 2 root 5. Okay. You have 20 is equal to
4 times
4.5, right?
I know.
So you have 2 root 5. Okay. So plus minus 2 root 5. Cert form. Good. Okay. So this sum of root product root. Okay.
X4. A.
Remember,
alpha
in
4,
this chapter is we are not interested in find x. Okay. They will
Alpha
ask you.
4 and beta plus beta 4. I haven't done.
Sorry. Oh yeah. Sorry.
That one even more complicated, right?
Okay. No, not with this another technique. Okay. Not IQ test anymore. This is another technique. Okay. Anything with no. Okay. Let me copy back the things first. Get this. X squared minus 4x plus minus 4 equal to 0. Okay. Now the idea is that just now, however we solve, right? We solve alpha square, beta square, alpha beta. Okay. Now alpha square is degree 2, beta square is degree 2. Alpha degree 1, beta degree 1 together is still degree 2. Okay. So for all your unknown, right, the index add together is the degree of the term. We call it degree. Cheap, right? Okay. Fine. Okay. Degree what? Have a good guess?
3,
Yeah, good.
2, minus 1,
Yes, just say it, okay? Don't worry, okay?
5,
Okay, good,
3,
good. Degree 5.
5.
Good. Got it right? Okay, sorry. X squared y minus 1.
X squared 1.
X squared y minus 1. Degree 1, yeah, good. That's degree, right? Okay. So degree 2,
Then that one should be
Degree
degree
2
2, 3, 4, 5,
and
6 or
degree 2. Say again?
6.
What's 6? No, I'm not saying time together, I'm saying these 3 terms, okay?
2, 2,
2, 2, 2. Okay?
2, 2, yeah.
So just now we do anything with
2, 2,
degree
2.
2 and 1. Because we have something like this, right? It's degree 1 and degree 1. A plus is 2 terms. Okay, there are 2 terms, okay? So when you see x squared plus x3, okay, how many terms are there?
3.
No, 2
1.
terms.
1.
2 terms.
Right.
Because it is this, the most simplest form.
Okay.
Okay, that means you open all the brackets.
Okay.
And the degree of this term is 3. The degree of this term is 4 because you must see the ultimate product. Okay? Okay? So 2 terms,
Which is
degree
7.
3 and degree 4. They are 2 terms. Okay? So we do terms with degree 2 and terms with degree 1. Now this is the questions with terms of degree 4. Anything degree with more than 2, which is 3 onwards, you need to use this technique. Okay, because the equations only have degree 2, how can they ask things with degree 4? Okay, the degree 4 term, right, can derive from here. Okay, you must use this technique. Okay, so the idea is that if you want degree 4, make the first one degree 4. You want degree 3, make the first one degree 3. You want fifth term, degree 5, you make the first one degree 5. You want degree x minus 1, you make the last one degree x minus 1. By multiply or divide the whole equation with how many x you want.
Okay.
Okay, so how to make this now? First, I would say degree 4, right? How to make it degree 4? Time x for the whole equations until you see the first degree 4 variable come out. Time 1 more is x3 minus x2 minus 4x0. Okay, time 1 more you have x4 minus 2x3 minus 4x2 equal to 0. Got it? Okay. So you want to say degree minus 1, how to get it? Divide the whole equation by x. Okay, then you have x minus 2 minus 4x to the power minus 1. Okay? didn't know this, okay? It's A max, something you learn now. So you want to make it degree 4 roots, first you need to come with this. No, don't have to. Okay? I think I teach you too much. Forget it, okay? Let's play IQ. Let's play IQ test, okay? They use trick way, okay? They're not using the traditional way. I hate it. Okay? So it's not good for learning, okay? Never mind. Minus 4.
This chapter so complicated one.
Yeah, but you got to learn it sooner or later. That's the when you reach to anything more than degree 2, you need to step it up, step down, kind of things. Okay. Anyway, I'm learning. I'm sorry. They're asking this one with this one. Okay. So play around with it. Okay. Just now we have that's not how we handle alpha square plus beta square. We do something, right?
Yeah.
And when we do something, we see that something happen become alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, right? Okay? Try to see the similar way you can handle this is why don't I try 4 and let's see what will happen. Okay? Then it become make sense? Because now you treat this as alpha square square, beta square square. Then everything is alpha square, beta square already. Okay? So, first part of the answer is 12. This one, common path index, pick outside. So this is a product of root. Product of root is C over A, so it's minus 4.
144 minus plus.
No, minus. This is minus 4 squared, positive 16.
Oh, okay. 60
32.
plus minus 32.
So 1,
1, 2.
Good.
Ow.
Okay.
Okay.
So I think you don't have to care about the step down thing first. Unless I see it. Okay. Anything wrong with this? All the question is just they ask you a lot of weird things and then just keep trying to play around.
It's a lot of practice.
Yeah. Okay, something like beta plus 1 over alpha, alpha plus 1 over beta. Okay. How do you do?
Split it.
Same thing, yeah, split it.
Beta over alpha plus 1 over alpha.
Yeah, I got to say plus, yeah, good. Okay. So how to find these kind of things? Join it. Beta square plus beta plus alpha square plus alpha, right?
Yeah.
Therefore you have beta square plus alpha square plus alpha beta plus beta. You have alpha beta. Okay. You know how to change this, you know how to change this, you know how to change this. Right, now this one is a bit trick, okay? Make it to the alpha plus beta whole thing square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay. Then substitute. Get answer. Okay, good. Okay, so this is the analysis on the quadratic equations. The first thing. The second thing you need to teach you is the nature of root. I think I said already. Okay, graphical method. Have you learned graph geometry? Geometry? No. No, right? Do you know how to find gradient? Do you know what's gradient of a curve?
This is the second time you ask me.
Oh, no, is it? Yes, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, then why you didn't learn graph? Because I was confused. That's why I was saying that. I thought you say never. Okay, do you know how to find distance between 2 points on the graph? Distance between 2 points on the graph.
Use ruler lah.
If they don't join the skill, then how?
Huh?
What's the distance between the point 2, 2 and 4, 4?
2, 2